Hey everyone, I'm Pallavi. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to review the book Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty. Now let me be really very frank with you guys. I was skeptical, really very skeptical before buying this book. I had unfollowed Jay Shetty since past 1.5 years from all social media sites, and then his book came. I thought this is some marketing strategy to earn money. That's why I did not want to read this book, but many of you said that I should read this book and review this book. That's why I bought this book. So in this video, I'm going to tell you guys whether you should purchase this book or not, or who should read this book exactly. That's all I'm going to share in this video. This book is of nearly 280 to 290 pages. It's a self-help book and it is divided into 3 sections. The first section is all about let go, second section is about grow, and third section is about give. With the very first section of this book, Let Go, I really like the writing style of Jay Shetty. The book is written really very in simple manner. There are no difficult words, there are no repetitive things. Like self-help books mostly have repetitive things going on in each chapter, but I did not find such things in this book. The very first chapter, that is Let Go, the first part of Let Go chapter is identity. When Jay Shetty talked about identity in this book, actually I definitely agree with all the points he has mentioned in it. We are identified with the people we live, we are identified with the values our parents give us, and I think that's my favorite chapter, like identity, who am I and what I am here for. From the section 2, I love the chapter purpose, the mind. Again, I love the chapter ego. I think I loved all chapters. Basically, Jay Shetty talks about what is our purpose, actually why do we live. In the mind chapter, Jay Shetty has divided the mind into categories, that is monkey mind and monk mind. So monk mindset is something like you can be at stable point where you can really analyze your thoughts, and again the monkey mind is something like autopilot mode, when we are not in our control, when our feelings are not in our control. So these chapters are really my favorite. Again, from the third section, I love the chapter gratitude, I love the chapter service. Like, I'll keep on mentioning all the chapters, they are worth reading. I think this video is not enough to explain all the things. All the things are really very beautiful in this book. The relationship chapter is really worth reading in this book. Actually, he has not only talked about the romantic relationships, but relationship with everyone. In relationship part, there is something written like some relations are like season and you should not sit and cry for them. Actually, I love this concept where author Jay Shetty compares relationships with a season. Like some people are in our life only for a particular point of time, and after that they are going to live. So if he or she is your favorite person, then you will sit crying, but you should not, because they are like season in your life and you should consider them as season. So that is something grabbed my attention. Likewise, there are many things in this book. He has talked about service a lot. There is a separate chapter on service at the very end of this book, and yes, that is also my favorite. Actually, in fact, I love the entire book. Now, all the self-help books are really very informative, but this is something different. Now, I have read several self-help books, but among them, I think this is the simplest and the best and practical book. If you are planning to read any self-help book, then I think this is my top recommendation for you guys. Now, so for those who are planning to read any self-help books, then I will suggest you guys, you should definitely read this book. And for those who are beginners also, this is really worth read. This is very simple book. You should definitely read Think Like a Monk. Actually, after reading this book, definitely you are not going to become monk in one day, but you will have to apply all these things in your life. Only then it's going to be possible. Personally, I read this book for nearly 15 to 20 days, and yes, I began to think on few things of which I have never thought. I personally love the way Jay Shetty has introduced this book. It's really very different from his social media life. Like, this is another part of Jay Shetty's life. I'll definitely recommend you all to read this book. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then definitely give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed this channel till now, definitely subscribe. So I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.